Greetings from Best Acrylic Mounting in Oakland Park, Florida, next to Fort Lauderdale. This video is just strictly about beveled edges. We have three different styles at the moment. I'm going to zoom in on, this is what we call minimum. Do my best to get to see how we can show this on the video. Kind of difficult. This is a minimum beveled edge. Okay. Next, we move into our medium beveled edge. And these are hand polished on the edges. We can no longer diamond polish them if it's going to be beveled edge, but they look okay, look quite nice. And one thing about these is since they're done by hand, it's not with total perfection. Let me zoom in here on the edge here, and there could be some minor imperfections. And if you can't live with that, then don't go for this. You know, because there's no machine and there's no one in the industry that's going to be set up with an automated machine to do this. And lastly, we move into our 45-degree beveled edge. Okay. Here we go. So currently the prices, it's regardless of whichever beveled edge you want. You don't really need it because we offer diamond polished edges and it looks quite nice. If you wanted to go with this, it's a $20 setup fee, assuming that everything's going to be the same edge. You pick one, minimum, middle, or heavy. Okay, and if so, it's a $20 setup fee and 30 cents per running inch. So if you have a 30 by 40 that you want to have with a beveled edge, and by the way, the heavy beveled edge is done with a 1/4 inch, and when it's beveled, it starts to look like it was a lot thicker than 1/4 inch. But it's 30 cents per running inch. So if you have a 30 by 40, then that's 140 inches. So you have, let's see, $42 plus a $15 setup fee. So that brings you to $57 for one piece. That's 30 by 40 if you want the beveled edge. That's extra on top of all the other charges that we have. Thank you very much. You can find us at www.bestacrylicmounting.com. Have a nice day.